Hey guys, welcome to Protein Treats by Nutracelle. I'm Melanie Wildman. I'm the founder and creator of Nutracelle, and I'm also a sleever who's lost over 100 pounds and kept it off for almost 10 years. I'm going to show you how I do it with no sugar, high protein, high fiber, and high fat, super yummy, delicious recipes. This recipe is one of my favorites. At nighttime when you're getting snacky and you want something high fiber, a 60-second mug cake is the way to go. This is a strawberry and coconut one. You're gonna love it, and I'm gonna show you how fast and easy it is to put this together, so let's get started. Okay, so to make this super yummy, super fast and easy treat, all you're gonna need is a 1/4 cup of some sort of sugar-free liquid. So you can use sugar-free coconut milk, you could use almond milk, you could use soy milk. Don't use cow's milk because it has 13 grams of sugar for just a cup. I'm using a tablespoon of whipping cream and some water to make my liquid right here. So I've got a 1/4 cup of liquid. I have 1 whole egg. I've got 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder right here, and I have 1 teaspoon of coconut flour. Now, coconut flour is super good for you. It does not raise your blood sugars or your glycemic index almost at all. Full of fiber, full of a little bit of protein too, and really healthy fats. And I've got a little bit of liquid stevia here, and I've got some flavoring. This is a sugar-free flavoring. This one tastes like white chocolate, which I'm gonna use in our mix. And you are gonna need 1 scoop of vanilla Nutralean, which is full of prebiotic fiber and protein, plus some frozen raspberries. Now, I know you guys might be thinking, frozen, isn't that bad for you? The truth is that our fruits and veggies that we get frozen from the supermarket are often actually more dense in vitamins and nutrients than the ones that we think are fresh at the supermarket. The reason for that is they're flash frozen right when they're taken off the field, and so the vitamins don't have time to deteriorate. When you get fresh fruits and vegetables, oftentimes it takes so much time from the time they're harvested until they're trucked all the way through to where you get them at the grocery store that they actually deplete their vitamin C and other nutrients by as much as 70%. So if you're getting fruits and vegetables that are flash frozen, sometimes they're actually healthier than the fresh stuff at the market. So here we go. This is how easy it is to put this together. I'm actually going to start with my dry ingredients. So I'm going to put my coconut flour in here, my little bit of baking powder, and I want a little bit of coconut. So I've just got some dried coconut here. I'm putting maybe a tablespoon in, if you can see that in my hand. I'm just going to drop it right in there like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and put my full scoop of vanilla Nutralean. Now, this is a prebiotic protein, and you might be wondering, what on earth, Mel, is a prebiotic protein? Well, prebiotic fiber is what your good gut flora needs, and that helps you to lose weight, it helps your metabolism, but it also helps to extend the digestion of your protein. You don't want to digest your protein all at once, and that's why having a prebiotic protein is so important. So I'm going to go ahead and mix my dry ingredients here, and now I'm going to add my wet ingredients. So I'm going ahead with my cream and water, and my egg. Crack that right in there. And I'm going to add here a little bit of my white chocolate, and I'm just sort of doing a little guess. If you like yours less sweet, put less in. But these are so great because you get all sorts of different flavors with your mug cake. So I'm gonna whip that with my fork. You don't have to be fancy, and it doesn't have to be perfect. And once I've got it a little bit whipped, I'm gonna take some frozen raspberries that I have here, and I'm just gonna add maybe a couple of tablespoons worth. Just like that. Mix it up, and now I'm going to put it in the microwave for 60 to 90 seconds. I've taken my raspberry, white chocolate, and coconut mug cake that took almost 60 seconds here in the microwave, and look at that, it's perfect. It smells so good in here, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of whipped cream. You might be wondering, what on earth are you doing? This is so much faster and easier than trying to pipe really fancy whipped cream on. I've made this with some stevia, and all I'm gonna do is put it in a sandwich bag, cut off the end, and just like that, I can pipe really yummy, delicious whipped cream right on the top, add a couple of fresh raspberries, and I am good to go to curl up with a book on a nice cold evening with a warm, delicious mug cake. This is so easy, you guys. Can't wait to hear how yours turns out. Make sure you subscribe so every week you can get sugar-free, keto-friendly, paleo-friendly, low-carb, high-fat, delicious recipes that will help you lose the fat and feel really good. And I will see you guys back here next week. Thanks, guys.